Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.
We've just got back from Mumbai today, last night, and it was the last qualification round for the Asian Games, and I feel very happy and very proud to say that I'm the first Goan to ever qualify for 2 consecutive Asian Games in an individual sport. Obviously, as an athlete, this is one of the biggest achievements that I have personally achieved in my career, so I'm really happy, but I also know that a lot of work is yet to be put in, because just qualification is not my goal for this event. I really am aiming at getting a medal for Goa and for India, and so I know now that the work begins. That got over in 2018. We were, I was given the, I was approved for the Excellence of Sports scheme, and I'm very grateful for that. It went a long way in my progress. But ever since the pandemic hit, for us training has been very hard. A sport like this requires a lot of time on the water, which we were unfortunately very distant from because of the pandemic. But now, since everything was opened up and since a lot of some funding came in, the hard work never stopped. We just had to keep ourselves ready at any possible opportunity that came up, so that we could be the first ones to grab it with both hands, and that's what we did. That's what I did, and that's how I am now qualified to represent India at the Asian Games again this year.
It feels great to qualify for the Asian Games for the second time. I've been qualified once before, that was at Jakarta, Indonesia, and it is every athlete's dream to get qualified for the Asian Games and eventually for the Olympics, because these are the highest podiums in any kind of sport. So getting qualified in windsurfing, which is a little bit of a unique sport, it feels really great. Definitely it was quite hard. The competition now is also really good. I was up against Ishwarya Ganesh from Tamil Nadu. She's one of the best sailors in India, female sailors. So it was good. The competition was really tough also this time, and it was in a completely new class, that is the IQ foil that you can see behind me here. This is the new Olympic class, so it is new for everybody. But hard work pays, so I'm really happy that I managed to get qualified again. We had 3 qualifying rounds. There was 3 selection trials for the Asian Games, 1 in Goa, 2 in Mumbai. I managed to win 2 out of 3. And really looking forward now. The Asian Games, however, have been postponed in 2023. They are planning to have it now. We are not sure if they will be having more qualifying rounds or what the exact scenario is, but as of now I'm leading, so that's great. Hard work goes into any kind of thing. To achieve anything, you really need to work hard for it. The last 2 months I have been intensely training, 2 to 3 hours in the water, almost every day whenever possible, with my father, who is also my coach. He helped to get the best out of me in the last few weeks of training, and so that's how I could manage to win the competitions.